So, miss, please state your name, your occupation, and your business address for the record. My name is Patsy Rottenbreath, and I'm an importer-exporter. My address for my business is 623 East 68th Street, Los Angeles. Ms. Rottenbreath, please tell us how you know the defendant. Lenny works for one of my suppliers, the cardboard company. They supply us with, you guessed it, cardboard boxes and shipping materials. And don't you also know Lenny as a member of your own family since he married your sister? Objection leading. Just trying to establish how well they know each other.
Sustained.
Well, let me ask you this, Miss Rottenbreath. Do you know the defendant outside of your business connection? Yes. He's my brother-in-law. And how long ago did he marry your sister? It was about 4 years ago, I believe. So you know him pretty well, correct? Well, I guess so. I mean, I never thought he'd be capable of this. Move to strike that last statement. Please just answer with the facts and don't tell us what you think, okay? Oh, excuse me, my coffee's done brewing. I gotta go get it. Where were we? Ms. Rottenbreath. Oh yes, you asked me if I knew Lenny pretty well. Well, I mean, fairly well. He doesn't speak to my family very much. So if Lenny doesn't speak to your family much, how would he know when Eddie was going to come to visit? Oh, he would know all right. Lizzie knew Eddie was coming to town, and she's incapable of keeping anything to herself. She told my mother I was seeing a guy who's a furry.
I never told him, Patsy. You're wrong.
Shut up, Liz. Oops. Objection. The next witness is in the same room as the current witness. This is highly irregular. You can't object. You're on cross. So please make sure no one else enters the room who is a potential witness. Remember, you're under oath to tell the truth, and you're also expected to talk to no one about your testimony. Sorry about that. She's not very bright. That's why she married such a loser. I call him Lenny the loser.
I heard that, Patsy. You better keep your mouth shut.
Oh, shut up already. Oh, I'm so sorry. Ms. Rottenbreath, please remind us where you were on the night of the disappearance. Objection. Asked and answered.
Overruled.
Go ahead. Well, I was on my way to pick up Eddie at the airport, and I got a call from my friend Myra. She said it was an emergency. So I didn't know what to do, so I drove to Myra's first to see if I could help her quickly, and if I couldn't, then I was going to have to call Lenny, which I did, to pick up Eddie because nobody else in my family was available that night. Lizzie was working and my parents don't drive. So you don't actually know if Lenny ever made it to the airport, correct? Well, my cousin is missing. Lenny suddenly came down with COVID the very next day. His passenger seat of his car has blood stains that weren't there before. I kind of put 2 and 2 together. Ms. Rottenbreath, do you have any proof, corroboration from someone else? Anything that would definitely show that Lenny is somehow responsible for Eddie's disappearance? Ouch! I got a hangnail. I'll be right back. Well, I don't actually have any evidence. It's just a feeling. I have no further questions. Any redirect? Ms. Rottenbreath, can you please remind the court who the plaintiff is in this case? Sure, it's my father, Ivagot Rottenbreath. He's from the old country, and when someone dies, you look for a scapegoat and you sue, well, if the situation calls for it anyway. Yes, well, Ms. Rottenbreath, did your father and Lenny get along? Oh, he loves Lenny. Can you go get me a sandwich at the deli? I'm starving. So, you are here on behalf of your father who loves Lenny, even though you don't, correct? Yes, that's correct. I want to see Lenny pay for this. Objection.
Sustained.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I've got an important call coming in. We're done here, right? Objection. The witness has left the proceeding. I had nothing further, Your Honor. You better get off my back, Lizzie. I'm sick of your insults. Lenny is a good person. You just don't know him.